Nancy. So now we got, there are two types of taxis we're learning. We got the bigger ones, like this, with the air condition, and then you got the tuk-tuk. Okay, so the tuk-tuk, the advantage of it is it cuts through traffic. Smaller and more versatile, and can fit in the available spaces. While with this big one, you might be stuck in traffic. Okay, so it's really hot. You see everyone sweating. They're all sweating. What's temperature today? Temperature?
33. I don't know.
33 degrees centigrade. Busy place. A lot of commerce going on. And sometimes your children and your child for sure will get tired. Okay, they will get tired, especially with the abrupt change in climate and temperature. Okay, so our daughter is experiencing this right now because it went from very low temperatures in Italy, in Calabria, Worldschooling Calabria, and to very high temperatures abruptly. And she began experiencing this when we were transiting in Ethiopia, and then it got tougher here in Zanzibar, Tanzania. Okay, so that's one thing. PBZ, People's Bank of Zanzibar, we recommend you to change money there because you get your full exchange rate, and you also get a receipt. So when you're in Zanzibar, you look for PBZ. There you go, they got free advertisement right there. GAPCO is the fuel company, and we changed money right here at PBZ yesterday. They have a lot of branches. Beautiful. Okay, so we had a long morning. Now we're gonna take back the baby with the fruits and everything to the air conditioned room so she can adjust climate wise. She can begin to acclimatize. Tomorrow we got our first tour. Okay, that's the chanting of the Quran, and Islamic mosque is going on now. It's midday. They pray 5 times a day, and so we're up here. It's not the fanciest place to be standing. Dalia is tired. It's really hot here in Zanzibar. It's a nice hotel, but this is an extension. I think they're building, and then it's messy, and they got some crews and workers and works going on. It's midday, and we all know that they're talking in Arabic over there, I think. I'm not sure. Everyone is on rest break under the tree, everywhere in the shade. It's midday, lunch break. Okay, so there you go, another experience, world schooling, travel schooling experience. The child is hearing and seeing other religions. We teach her Christianity, now she knows about another religion. Imagine that. She's in it, and she sees how they dress, and when we move through these communities, she sees the food, and she hears the language. Crazy, beautiful. It's a key part of educating your children, traveling. Okay.